Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each windshield sunshade in this video will offer different options depending on which specific functions like sun blocking and quick to install meet your protection from the sun needs or pocket best. Our specialist team analysed a wide range of sunshades and made these recommendations based on different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there. So let's get started. The Windshield Sunshade coming in at number 5 is the Ontel Brella Shield Windshield Sunshade. This sunshade provides sun blocking protection as it reflects intense heat and harmful UV rays to keep your vehicle cool and comfortable, plus it prevents your car interior from fading or cracking. This is designed to be easy to use as it pops open to expand a bit like an umbrella, yet collapses into less than 1 square foot, so fits into the glove box or side pockets. The Ontel Brella Shield Windshield Sunshade is a universal size, so it fits on most trucks, cars and SUVs. Next on our list of recommendations is the Kinder Fluff Windshield Sunshade. This sunshade comes in 3 sizes, so you can find the correct size for your vehicle. It's designed in one panel with 2 rings that can be overlapped for a perfect fit. It is made from superior quality 210T polyester, which is a higher density material, giving over 99% protection from sun, UV and heat buildup, with an aluminium film silver coating to reflect the thermal energy from the sunlight. The Kinder Fluff Windshield Sunshade is a compact design that folds in to fit the small pouch provided, and the high quality durable connector clamps fit the sunshade so your car interior is protected and cool. The Windshield Sunshade coming in at number 3 is the EzyShade Windshield Sunshade. This sunshade uses ultra reflective technology for a superior reflective coating that gives 99% UV protection and 82% heat reduction for greater comfort. It also provides protection from damage to the dashboard and interior of your vehicle, and it comes in 3 sizes to achieve a perfect fit to keep you cool. The EzyShade Windshield Sunshade is easy to fit either vertically or horizontally and is conveniently stored in the pouch provided. Next at number 2 is the Magnalex Car Windshield Sunshade. This sunshade comes in a variety of sizes so you can get perfect fit and coverage for your vehicle. The medium, for example, fits most compact cars, yet folds up small to fit in the compact pouch provided. It will stop your car from being sweaty and uncomfortable even on the hottest days, and it comes with a steering wheel cover sunshade so no more burning hands. The Magnalex Car Windshield Sunshade is made from reflective polyester that will protect your car interior from harmful UV rays that could fade your dash or seats, and you will use less air conditioning to cool off your car at the start of your journey. Finally, the Windshield Sunshade at number 1 that we highly recommend is the EcoNour Car Windshield Sunshade. These sunshades come in 9 sizes, fitting from a car to RV, and stops hot sun, making your rides uncomfortable as you do not need to worry about extreme internal cabin temperatures again. It can effectively block ultraviolet sun rays from damaging your vehicle's interior, so eliminating cracks in the dash, worn out steering wheels and hot seats by maintaining a cool internal temperature. The EcoNour Car Windshield Sunshade covers the entire front interior of your car as it is made from tough, durable 240T polyester. It's a perfect sun blocker and it is really easy to store in the compact pouch provided. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful sun protection tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep in touch and updated with hundreds of tools.